私の親父は一体何を送りつけてきたんだ。ダメよダメよ、これは事故なのよ。何やったの？なんでパクられた？無実よ。なんなのよこれは。この監視どもには見えていないのか。糸の塊、私の心に反応して心の力で動かせる。これで自分を守れってことか。あのペンダントの意味は。何にでも名前はあるって言ったわよね。私も名前をつければ。ストーンフリー。私はこの石の海から自由になる。やれやれだわ。
Oh, give me a break. Oh, that's a new one. Yo. Yes, I did say September, but certain things had to change, okay? I was not able to oblige by my previous commitment to get a new PC. Nigga, I still have an iPhone 6, okay? It's 2021, about to be 2022, and I still have an iPhone 6. So yes, I was not able to, commit to that shit, okay?
私はこの石の海から自由になる。やれやれだわ。
Okay. Some folks say that. Some folks say that the Stone Ocean main theme, is better than Part 5. I have no idea what they're smoking. I'm sorry. I just don't know what the hell you're smoking. Who is Butch?
ジョリン、空城ジョリンに。私手のひらに怪我をして。あなたが目覚めたその力、それはね、スタンド能力。ちょっと私だってば。楽しいねここ。湿地帯と違ってさ。そうか。あんたがスタンド使いと分かった以上、私は手加減しない。オラオラオラオラオラオラオラオラオラオラオラオラ。
Okay, not bad. Not bad, Aura.
私はあんたを守りたい。
What the hell is up
こ
with
れ
you?
が私のスタンド。
Your finger just split? Why the hell does your stand look like
ジョリ
that?
ン、気をつけろ。敵はあの3人の中に紛れ込んでいる。今そいつを叩く。ジョリン、来るんじゃねえ。
Okay, that's not bad. Did Cole already react to all these castings? Well, I already know. I didn't have to react. I actually found out off stream. I saw it trending on Twitter. I'm like, what the hell's going on here? Like, oh, okay, so we have the casting. So I found that out. Yeah, I know what's going on for the castings for the One Piece Netflix, which is interesting, all right? I'm not against it. I'm not against it at all. I need to see a trailer. Like, so here's the thing. I'm not too... Like, the casting seemed to be fine. I don't have any qualms with the casting, though I think Luffy... wait, where's that one picture I had? It's a pretty... where are we at? Luffy B, I think he's 18 years old. Young Buck? I forgot his name. The wings of the Pirate King. And then just Luffy. Okay. That's okay. I mean, it works, I suppose. Yeah. Like I'm not against it. I'm not against it, yo. I gotta see how this actually plays out in real time. Alright, that is the thing I actually want to... I thought I had a fucking... No? Nani? Get rid of this, let me get rid of this. Hold up. Yeah, okay, so this is what I saw before. What I miss? Nothing much. We're just rolling through some things right now before we get to the anime. So let's start level 4. Welcome to the Straw Hats.
Hello everyone, my name is Iñaki Godoy Caso.
Hi, it's
Yeah, Inyeki's gonna be interesting.
Can you?
My name is Emily Rudd.
Hi, my name is Jacob.
My name's Tess Skylar,
Guess what? I'm gonna be playing Luffy.
but I'll be playing Zoro.
I am so beyond excited to be playing Nami in One Piece.
And I'm playing Usopp.
I am very excited to be playing Sanji. Also, shout out to Ichiro Oda for drawing these tees for us.
But yeah, that's me, the guy on the shirt.
Custom made by Oda Sensei.
Custom made.
The pirates! They're coming! Yes! Woo! I can't wait to become the pirate king.
Welcome to the Straw Hats.
So, off the gate, I like the direction this is. What the hell is this? Is there another bisexual Superman? Okay, no. Fair enough. So, off the gate. What the fuck? Okay, he approves. Cool. I'm about to say, I'm a nigga. So, here's what I understand of so far. I don't know much about Skylar. Okay, I'm bad with names. I'm gonna keep it simple as fuck, in a general sense. When it comes to the cast, I'm cool with it. Okay, because I'm brain farting on names right now, hard as fuck. I actually remember the names before and I forgot completely. Doesn't matter, I suppose. I'll remember them in the near future again. I'm cool with the cast. I'm definitely cool with the cast. Absolutely. 10 episodes, I think is a pretty sizable budget. I do wonder, my main thing is that I do wonder how they're going to actually incorporate things that are, they have to change certain things in terms of, I think, style, in terms of like watering down certain things in order to fit it in the episode time frame, and then also make it a lot more sense so they can actually do it. Like, for example, I'm not too sure if we're going to see Momu at all in the Netflix. I'm not too sure if we're going to have that much of 3-sword style Zoro. I think it's going to be pretty hard to do 3-sword style Zoro, to be honest with you guys. Honest to God. I think Sanji has to be less perverted, clearly less perverted, obviously. Usopp's nose won't be that fucking long. So there's certain things that have to be changed and altered to kind of make it make a little more sense, I think, in the grand scheme of things. And that's how a live action, I think, should be in a general sense. You can't have people doing like crazy shit all the damn time. Like Mihawk's sword can't be like 20 feet long. That's not gonna happen. But ultimately speaking, I think this is gonna be, what is this? What we got? Holy shit. Yeah, pretty much. Now, one thing I will say is that, and I know some of the guys talked about before in like our group chat, there was a discussion about how much of a role Oda's actually playing. And I'm not too sure if... Yeah, actually, it'll say right here. So Inaki is Luffy. Mikey is Zoro. Emily Rudd is Nami. Jacob is Usopp. And Taz Skylar is Sanji. Yeah. So here's the thing. People may assume that Oda is going to play a big role in this Netflix special. And we do that he's playing some part. But I don't think it's as big of a part or as big as a role as some folks might perceive. Oda, I think when it comes to his advisory role, if anything, it's maybe a few comments here or there and call it a damn day. Call it a damn day. Chopper, we'll cross that bridge when we actually get the Chopper. I feel like Chopper is going to actually be, like, make Chopper reindeer. Actually have a deer, siege you the face. That's it. Done. We're fine. Check the DMs, dude. I have too many DMs, my nigga. Like, are you serious? Like, what the fuck? Like, have you seen my shit on, like... I got so many DMs on the fucking regular, dude. On the regular. So I'm sorry. Chris Pratt Chopper, I'm down for. Actually, I'd rather... Yeah, there we go. What the hell is Say Busca? King of Lightning, NL. I mean, listen. I think I'd be a pretty good NL. I'm not gonna lie to you. I think it'll be... Because by then, when we do get the Skypiea, I'll be physically ready. So I should be good at NL. I agree. Make it happen. Send in the word. Let Netflix know that they have a pretty good NL. At least the Mr. One. Fuck, shit. At least the Mr. One. You feel me? Hell yeah. Petition as Black... Oh, I would kill as Blackbeard. I would do nothing but bow-legged. What the hell is this? Okay, I'm gonna get out of here. Yami? I don't have the... Yeah, listen, man. I can't do the backflips when... I am like 200 plus pounds overweight. I can't do those flips just yet. So I gotta be Mr. One or Blackbeard. Or, if it gets far enough, Kaido. Yo, I would slay. Yo, you can't tell me that I wouldn't slay as Kaido. I would fucking slay as Kaido. Are you serious? Oh, I would love. Yo, honestly, like, if they were doing the 10K scene, I'm like, yo, get me a fucking plane right now. I'm doing this shit in real time. Fuck it. Hell yeah. Oh my god. Let's go. Let's go. Zoro actor, low-tiered god! I love it. Zoro actor acted as Inishi in the Rurouni Kenshin movie called... Yeah, I know that too. He also acted as Okuyasu in the JoJo live action. Don't know that at all. Didn't see it. But yeah, I know that he's done other roles in like he's actually done some martial arts training, like a lot of it. He is very well spoken in both languages, Japanese and English, of course. He's done other roles in live action films. So Zoro, I think, is clean. I'm not sure about Taz Skylar for Sanji, but we'll see how that works out. I'm not too sure about Nagi for Luffy. Again, I'm cool with it. I'm cool with it, yo. I'm cool with it. Oh my god, that's perfect. I actually may tweet that out, Twilight. That's fucking perfect. Yeah, Amy Schumer as Big Mom, I co-sign that 1000%. Kobe, I would have to withdraw myself from the live action. Yeah, that's unfortunate. Like I'd rather be Bluno than Kobe. I agree with you. Fodder, no. I stand out too much to be fodder. I agree with you. I stand out too much to be fodder. Either way. Okay. So, let me get into the actual anime. Do you know that there's a live action? Yes, I did hear about that too. A live action Yu Yu Hakusho. Actually, no, we're not done yet with Stone Ocean. What the fuck am I doing? Holy fuck, dude, we got distracted big time. Who? Who the fuck are you? Okay, so Jotaro's wife is a brand new character. Yeah. Okay. No one American One Piece fans? Wait, no, that's inaccurate. That's inaccurate. He's gotta have the headband. He's fucking up, yo.
母さんに預けておいたペンダントは受け取ったか？
お前と知ってたらここには来なかった。
ジョリーン、よく聞け。
うるせえぞ、今さら父親面すんの。やっと助けに来たってわけか。愛情ってわけか。あんたのことはもう心の中にないのにさ。
全てはこの男が仕組んだものだ。
何のためにだ。
お前と俺の血が繋がっているからだ。ジョースターの血が。すぐにここから出す。スタンド能力は身についたか？スタープラチナザ・ワールド。俺はここからお前を出すために来た。ジョリー！
Okay, so she throws the pendant that Joe Taro gave her, but of course there's family tension between the two, no doubt about that. Okay, all right. And whoever this guy is of the way, whoa, is this the person? Let me see here.
グリーンドルフィンストリート刑務所、別名水族
Oh,
館。
Shamdio. Whoa, Frozen. I got Elsa. No. A whole new world. Wait, is that Elsa? Is that Frozen? A whole new world, right? Oh, never mind.
グリーン
Hey, yo, John Cena as Arlong? Yo, no, he should be Don Krieg. That's Cap. Arlong should be like Batista. Dave Batista. Yeah. Yeah. Hell yeah. Hell yeah. Hell yeah. That's way better. Absolutely. True. True. Find him and get him. True. I agree. I co-sign this. True. True. Or at least get one of the Borganoff twins, put him in like a muscle suit, and you have Frankie.
グリーンドルフィンストリート刑務所、別名水族館。ここにはいつからか謎と力が生まれていた。とても濁っている謎と力が。
What?
15年私の青春が15年。この世には死ぬより恐ろしいことがあって、それがこの刑務所で起こっているのは確実なんだ。なんなのよこれは。
手に入れたらしいな。それがスタンドだ。
糸の塊。これは私のエネルギーの形。塊。ストーンフリー。あの子は私のこの手を握ったの。彼も行きたいと言っている。ウェザーリポート。
Weather report, that's his name.
気づかないふりをするんだ。これで確認できたわけだ。君が動き出したことを知り、様子見に来た奴がいるとな。